Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Kiro Anwar. My official number is A1M270 So today I will present a quantitative journal about effectiveness of using index card match in teaching vocabulary at the first year student of SMA Hang Tua Tri Mataram. Writer Sri Aryana and Tri Satyaningsi from FPBS IKIP Mataram. The reason why I choose this research because vocabulary is still the most important thing in order to master all of the skill. Here, the researcher want to know what is actually the effect of using index card match, so the researcher can use it as a reference in teaching vocabulary someday. Background. Vocabulary is important in English learning. Student will not understand the conversation of passage without have good vocabulary mastery. The researcher here try to find a solution for vocabulary teaching that is by using index card match. The implementation of index card match in class will make the student feel fun and enjoy because the student here will pair up each other and also play a quiz. In this case, the class will be more active if using index card match. Basically, this method is more likely teaching the word or sentence with a partner, for example, the word of the meaning. Based on the researcher's observation in SMA Hang Tua Tri Mataram, the researcher found that there are several problems that coming from students in vocabulary learning, which are the student will still weak in mastering vocabulary and most of them wrong in pronunciation of words. The researcher asked them some question, but they didn't answer it because they didn't know what the meaning of the question. Therefore, this research is conducted in order to know what is the effect of index card match to improve the student vocabulary mastery. Research question: is there any significant difference between the impact of traditional teaching method and using index card match in teaching English vocabulary at the first year student of SMA Hang Tua Tri Mataram? Object of the study: to identify the effect of using index card match in vocabulary learning for the first year student of SMA Hang Tua Tri Mataram. Significant for student, for teacher, and for the next researcher. For English teacher, the result of this research can be valuable for a language teacher as a reference for them to use index card match in teaching vocabulary. To the student, the using of index card match can facilitate vocabulary learning for students and also provide an opportunity for them to use or review their vocabulary in every situation. To the next researcher, the researcher hoped that other researcher had to find a more effective strategy for making motivation of students in vocabulary increased. Literature review. As suggested by Tom Bury, it is important for the student to master many vocabularies that educate native speakers mostly have a vocabulary list around 20,000 words. This is because they adding about 1,000 words a year since they in age 5. And the second is as Alhamdulillah, as postulated by Cattle and Mills. It is important to teacher to always improve their strategy or method in teaching since the traditional or conventional teaching method are teacher centered and include the use of lecture and discussion methodology. Design of the study. The design of this research is quasi-experimental design with non-equivalent control group design. Population and sample. The population of this research is all the first year student in SMA Hang Tua Tri Mataram, while the sample only 2 class in SMA Hang Tua Tri Mataram. That is divided by control and experimental group. Technique and data collection. In order to collect the data, the researcher conducted several processes as follow: pre-test and post-test. The researcher give pre-test for the student before explaining the material. Pre-test is conducted to identify the student ability in vocabulary. The test was given to both group, experimental and control group. It was intended to measure the ability of the student in vocabulary before using index card match. Post-test. After treatment, the post-test was given to both group, control and experimental group, in order to know whether the index card match has impact for the student. The tests were similar with the pre-test but different reduction. The tests include 25 of written vocabulary. Technique data of analysis. To analyze the data, the researcher here used to formula. You can see the formula here. The purpose of using this formula above came to computation of comparing coefficient of the two mean score, experimental and control group, whether is significant or not. Finding and discussion. The finding show that the experimental group who had received the treatment on vocabulary index card match significantly enhanced better performance in vocabulary text. The result of this study indicate that there was significant difference in the efficiency of vocabulary index card match compared to traditional technique method. The conclusion of this research, the index card match method has good impact for the student in vocabulary learning. It can be used for the teacher in order to improve student vocabulary mastery. That's all about my presentation. Thank you very much, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.